The Bachelor of Arts in English Language, also known as a BEL, is a 4-year degree program that encompasses the theoretical aspects, linguistic domains, and practical applications of the English language. The AB English Language program places great emphasis on linguistics, its history, origin, structure, use, and evolution. It explores key areas in the field, covering discussions on phonetics, phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics, and pragmatics. Building on this foundation, Bicol University offers an ideal environment for pursuing the AB English Language program. Here is the reason why. Welcome to Bicol University, the home of the BUenos, a university for humanity where excellence meets opportunity and where dreams turn into reality. We live by the values of scholarship, leadership, character, and service, guiding every student to make a difference in the world. The university has 18 colleges, one of which is the College of Arts and Letters, where students are known to be matalino, matatapang, talentado, at magagaling, easily claiming the title of honing calibers. From powerful voices to creative minds, CAL is home to 6 dynamic departments that embody the 4 pillars of Bicol University: literature, broadcasting, journalism, communication, performing arts, and English language. Now that we've explored what Bicol University and the College of Arts and Letters have to offer, let's now hear about their personal journeys as certified BUenos at Bicol University.
When I started my first year as a BUenyo, I was filled with fear. Adjusting to a new environment was overwhelming and I started having a lot of breakdowns. But as time passed, I also learned how to adjust and embody the 4 pillars of the university, which is character, service, leadership, and scholarship.
I didn't just gain knowledge that I could apply beyond the university, I also met amazing people who made the experience even more worthwhile. Being a BUenyo is a tough path, but it is also an exciting and rewarding journey.
One of my goals as a student taking this program is to be equipped with knowledge and skills that are relevant to my chosen fields, such as education, research, and publishing industries.
I envision myself navigating the curriculum development, crafting manuscripts, and conducting insightful studies, all through the practical skills I'll gain here. I'm confident that this program will equip me with knowledge and expertise to not just enter my chosen fields, but to make a significant and lasting impact on society.
I have a clear vision of success, and in order to achieve it, I need to graduate. The English language has always fascinated me, and I want to expand my skills and knowledge about it. So what better way than choosing it as my college program?
Earning a degree is one thing, but my goal is also to deepen my connection and mastery of English. By my senior year, I hope to have proof of that growth.
I always aim to be globally competitive, so the English language program has been my training ground for enhancing my capabilities.
I always aim for success, and finishing school is the first step towards achieving my goals. I believe enrolling in this program will equip me the skills and knowledge needed for a strong career foundation.
By studying the English language, I will improve my communication skills and open up global opportunities. With my dedication, this program will guide me towards the success I have always envisioned.
Being part of the BU community means more than academics. It's about friendships, memories, and lifelong learning. Join the Abel family to master English, enhance your linguistic skills, and see how language shapes the world.